In this guide, I'm going to show you the 12 fastest ways to get XP quick here in Arc Raiders. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but we have so much to go over. As I said, there is 12 methods. So we're going to dive straight into these. The first and most obvious way is going to be by playing the game and scavenging. Essentially, that means finding loot, items, and materials around the map is going to go ahead and get you XP. On top of that, if you damage Arc enemies, that's going to give you XP. You don't even have to fully finish them off. You just have to damage them and you'll get XP. But if you do fully finish them off and destroy them, you will also get XP. It's definitely worth doing those whenever you get the chance, especially because you can loot them afterwards and get even more XP. But if you do have teammates in your lobby, if you assist them in destroying an Arc, you'll also get XP. And if you damage a Raider as well, you will also get XP. Speaking of damaging a Raider, if you knock out a Raider, that is going to give you even more XP, so it's definitely worth doing those whenever you get a chance if you are trying to play like that. And if you assist another player in taking out any other Raiders, you'll also get XP for doing that. Now, speaking of the map, if you explore an area that you've not been to before, you'll go ahead and get XP for just simply walking in there. The more time spent on the surface as well, essentially just meaning staying above ground, means that you earn passive XP, so make sure you're staying above the surface as long as possible. And if you get a safe extraction, you'll get a bonus amount of XP as well. So if you successfully extract, you get extra XP. Now, the more damage that you do as well, it doesn't matter who or what it is to, you'll get even more XP, so do as much damage as possible. And finally, and this one's kind of obvious, make sure that you complete quests and objectives because that'll give you a ton of XP. All of this XP is used to level up your character. Just essentially click on your XP bar up at the very top and it's going to open up your skill tree where you can go ahead and unlock new perks and upgrades. I'd start with survival if I were you and get in-round crafting because it is insanely OP. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.